Hello everyone, I would like to share my comments on building a house on the shores of a rural pond. The plot that I purchased had an existing water reservoir located in the corner of the plot. Here is the view. Nevertheless, its location did not satisfy me, as the shore overlooked the neighboring plot. I could not allow it, therefore, in the first stage, the edge of the pond was covered with a meter-long strip of soil. The channel connecting my pond with the other nearby pond was filled in. In this way, clay masses were created, which were then spread over the plot. The edges of the pond were treated with pine pegs to strengthen the edges of the pond. The next stage was to break a deep well which was located in the left corner of the plot. This determined the further location of the building. The clay base of the plot caused water to remain permanently on its surface. Clay selected from the bottom of the pond was also used to raise the building. After the foundations were dug, water was also presented in the trench, which made it necessary to widen the footings to a width of 80 centimeters. I made the drainage myself, and the pipes with a diameter of 75 mm were inserted to the pond. This building was surrounded by drainages in a coir shed. I made the inspection chambers myself. They give me the opportunity to drain rainwater into the pond. This is what the building looked like in the construction phase of the second floor. Buried drainage pipe around the building. Open shell. A 305 mm diameter pipe was inserted into the previously buried channel, connecting my pond with the neighbors. Pipe was plugged with a stopper and a small overflow siphon was built in. Every spring, after the snow melts, the pond owner has to take into account the problem of flooding. Then the inspection wells give me some control over the water level in the ground. To limit water retention, 120 tons of soil were scattered on the plot and evenly distributed, which resulted in the disappearance of the problem of puddles of the lawn. Here is the end result after a few years of use. The house is situated right on the shore of the pond. Life draws life into every pond, and this is perhaps its most beautiful feature. I wish you a successful construction and drawing a few conclusions from what I have shown. Bye bye!